Hi everyone, I'm Kamala, Assistant Professor from CAC Department. Today I'm explaining about first and follow set. So this first and follow set is very important in the construction of LL1 parsing table and LR parser tables in the compiler design. So what is the first set and what is the follow set? We'll discuss with an examples. Here I have some grammars, and these grammars are called as a context-free grammars. Okay, here to calculate the first set, always we consider in the left side of the production or the left side of the symbol, and to construct the follow set, always we are considering the right side of productions. Okay, here I have the first production in the grammar is S tends to A, B, C, D, E. So the first set of S is first set of A. To calculate first set of S, I should calculate first set of A. So what is the first set of A? So because of that, again I'm jumping to A production. Here the first set of A is nothing but a small a epsilon, and similarly here I have a B. So this first set of S is nothing but a first set of A, B, C, D. So here I'm going to calculating first set of B. So this first set of B is nothing but a B or epsilon. Similarly I'm calculating first set of C. First set of C is nothing but a C. Similarly here I'm calculating first set of D. This first set of D is nothing but a D epsilon. And again here I'm calculating first set of E. First set of E is nothing but a E epsilon. So this is about the first set of A, B, C, D, E. Now here finally I'm calculating first set of S. The first set of S is nothing but a first set of A. So what is the first set of A? A epsilon, right? A in first set of S, and then instead of writing epsilon in this set, substitute epsilon in place of A, so that A is vanished. There is no more A. Now the production is S tends to B, C, D, E. Now the first set of S is nothing but a first set of B. What is the first set of B? The first set of B is nothing but a B epsilon. So write this B in first set of S. Now instead of writing epsilon here, substitute epsilon in place of B, so that B is vanished. So there is no A B. Here I have only the C D E. Now the first set of C is nothing but a C. Write the C in first set of S. So this is about first set of S, A, B, C, D, E. Now here I am going to calculating follow set. Uh, According to the rule, for any start symbol, the follow set contains dollar. Here the start symbol is S. In this entire production, start symbol is S. Therefore, the follow of S contains dollar. And remember one more thing. To calculating first set, we are considering this left side symbol. To calculate follow set, we should consider the right side of symbol. This right side, we don't have any S. So, according to the first rule, S contains dollar because it is a start symbol. Then here I'm going to calculating follow set of A. So this follow set of A is nothing but a first of B, C, D, E. So what is the first set of B? The first set of B is nothing but a B. Write that B, and instead of writing epsilon in follow of A, substitute epsilon in place of B, so that B is vanished. Now the grammar is S tends to A, C, D, E. Means the first set of, the follow set of A is nothing but a first set of C. So what is the first set of C? Is nothing but a C, right? C in follow of A. So now follow set of A is over. Now here I'm writing uh, follow set of C. So this follow set of C is nothing but a first of DE. What is the first set of D? D. So the follow set of C is nothing but a D and epsilon. Instead of writing epsilon here, substitute epsilon in place of D, so that D is vanished. We have only E, which means what? Fall of C is nothing but a first of E. What is the first of E? First of E is nothing but E epsilon, right? Uh, E, write E, and then instead of writing this dollar in fall of C, substitute, uh, sorry, writing this epsilon, writing epsilon in place of fall of C, just write this epsilon in place of D, so that D is vanished. Then we consist of uh, fall of C is nothing but a fall of E. So fall of E is nothing but what? E. Now write E here. Now instead of writing epsilon in its follow set, substitute E in place of E. So that E is vanished. Already D vanished. Now E is also vanished. So that this follow set of C contains follow of S. So follow of S is what? Dollar. The dollar is added to follow of C. So this is about follow of C. Now I'm calculating fall of D. This fall of D is nothing but a first of E. What is the first of E? E. Write E. And instead of writing epsilon here, substitute epsilon in place of E. So that E is vanished. Then fall of D is nothing but a fall of S. So E comma S, dollar. Then last one, fall of E. The fall of E is nothing but a follow set of E. Follow set of E. After E, here we don't have any symbol. So directly E follows S. So what is the follow of S? Dollar. Therefore, the follow set of E is dollar. So this is about the calculation of first and follow set for a given productions. Now we'll see one more example. Here I have production E tends to E plus T, E tends to T tends to T into F, T tends to F tends to ID. Observe carefully. For E I have two production, and similarly for T also I have a two production, and F I have only one. Now we'll calculate first set for E. The first of E is nothing but a first of E, and according to this first of T. So we don't know the first of T. Now again, to calculate this first of E, I'm directly jumping to first of T. So this first of T is nothing but a first of T, and first of T is nothing but a first of F. So here we don't know the first set of uh, F. And so because of that, I'm jumping to first of F. So the first of F is nothing but a ID. So first set of F is ID. And according to this, first set of T is first of F. So this F value is copied to T. And according to this, first set of E is first of T. So T value is copied to E. So this is the E value, T value which is copied to E. Now we'll calculate follow set. Here E is the start symbol, so that which contains dollar, first point. And second point, to calculate follow set, always we should consider right side of the production. So the right side of the productions, here I have E. So this fall of E is nothing but a plus. So which consists of plus. And now coming to here, this fall of T consists of fall of E. So the same fall of E values are copied to fall of T, dollar plus. And according to this, the fall of T consists of star. So star is also added to fall of T. Now, according to this, fall of F contains fall of T. So, the fall of T values are as it is copied to fall of F. So, this is about the follow set for E, T, F. And we'll observe one more example. So, this is very, very important example. And this example will ask for construction of LL1 parsing table, and similarly for the construction of SLR or LLR or CLR. For any of the parsing table, it will ask this particular grammar. So in that case, we should calculate first set and follow set. Okay, so first of all, I'm constructing first set, then we'll go to the follow set. So these are the set of productions is given. E tends to E plus uh, Te dash, E dash tends to plus Te dash or epsilon, then T tends to Ft dash, then T dash tends to star Ft dash or epsilon, then F tends to Id or E in the brackets. So this is about the given productions. Now coming to the first set, here first of E is nothing but a first of T, and first of T again I'm jumping to first set of T, that is nothing but a T tends to Ft dash, and again to calculate first of T again I'm jumping to first of F. So that first of F is nothing but a ID and open bracket. So this is the first set for F, ID and open bracket. Now it is over. The first set of F is over. Then we should calculate first set for T. So what is the first set of T? Here according to this, first set of T is nothing but a F. So F just now we calculated ID comma open bracket. So the same values are copied to T. And now I should calculate first set of E. According to this, first set of E is nothing but a first set of T. So the same T values are copied to E. So that here we calculated first set of E, T, F. Now I'm going to calculating first set of E dash. So what is the first set of E dash? Is nothing but a plus epsilon. Now according to this, I'm calculating first set of T dash is nothing but a star epsilon. So the first set of ETF, E dash, T dash is also over. Now here I'm going to calculating follow set. Now how to calculate this follow set? Here observe, uh, to calculate that follow set always we are considering the right side of the production, and one more point is we should check which one is the start symbol, because for that particular start symbol follow set a dollar is added, means the dollar symbol is added to the start symbol follow set. Okay, here I have E tends to Te dash, and this right side of the production, here I have T. So before going to calculating for fall of T, first of all I'm going to calculating fall of E, because E is the start symbol. So blindly we can add dollar, then check E is anywhere in the right side of the production. S, here we have E. So fall of E is nothing but a right brace. Add the right brace and dollar in place of fall of E. E follow set is over. Now here I'm coming to next one, this grammar. So fall of T is equal first of E dash. Fall of T is equal to first of E dash. So first fall of T, this fall of T is equal first of E dash. So what is the first of E dash? Plus and epsilon, right? That plus, and instead of epsilon, this epsilon substitute in place of E dash, so that E dash is vanished. Then fall of T is equal to fall of E. So what is the fall of E? Dollar red brace, that is added to fall of T. So this is about uh, what T. Then according to this, follow of E dash is equal to follow of E. So what is the follow of E value? Dollar red brace. Same values are copied to follow E dash. So till now we calculated E dash and E and T over. And now here I'm going to calculating, according to this I'm going to calculating fall of F. Fall of F is nothing but a first of T dash. What is the first of T dash? Star, right? Star in place of fall of F, and instead of writing this epsilon here, write epsilon in place of T dash, so that T dash is vanished. Then fall of F is equal to fall of T. What is the fall of T value? The same values as it is copied to fall of F, so that fall of F is also over. Now here I am going to calculating fall of T dash. This fall of T dash is nothing but a fall of T. So what is the fall of T? The fall of T is nothing but a plus dollar red brace. So the same thing as it is copied to T dash. Okay, so this is about the first and follow set for a given context free grammar. Thank you.